Hello everyone and welcome. So the other day we started this Husqvarna project and we pulled the cylinder heads off and found no damage on the top side of the engine. So today I decided to pull the engine off and rip into it to see what exactly went wrong. Okay, so here we are with the engine. Looks fine, no cracks, no nothing. A little better show the bores. Hold on, let's get the light on. They're fine, slight scuffing, nothing major. You can still see all the cross hatching. Cam looks fine, no major wear. All the tappets look fine, nothing bad. So here's cylinder 1. Okay, little bit of wear, top and bottom, but not bad, usable if you're in a pinch. Pistons, sort of scuffed, but it's alright. So that's where the goodness ends. So number 2, many of you can tell, it's discolored. So that can only mean one thing: heat. So here we have rod, piston and rod number 2. Now let's get the cap out of the way a little bit so you guys can see. Yeah, that's completely gone. So this thing would have knocked like a son of a gun if I was to start it. Number 1, not bad. Number 2, on the other hand, on the crank, lots and lots of metal transfer to the crank. So this engine's junk. So I got a couple decisions to make, whether we just clean this thing up and come springtime we sell it as a project with no engine for a couple $100, or do we throw an engine on it and try to sell it for a little bit more. I'm going to scour Facebook Marketplace a little bit, see if I can't find an engine on there. I don't think it'll be worth taking this one and find a new crank and new rods for it, especially with a couple, the cylinders being slightly scuffed and whatnot. It's just not worth putting all that effort into. So as of now, this project's going to be put on hold. I'm going to put everything on the tractor and probably push it up close to the barn, and we will get back to it once I make a decision. So as of now, this project's going to be put on the wayside, and we're going to get started on other things going on around here. Have a good one, and thanks for watching.